Hello kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Come on kids, let's learn. Today, we are going to learn sight words.
Today, we are going to learn 5 sight words. Let's meet our friend, Not.
Hi, I'm the sight word, Not. I'm here to add something different.
Let's meet our friend, R.
Hello, I'm the sight word, R. I love to connect words.
Let's meet our friend, All.
Hey there! I'm the sight word, all. I bring everything together.
Let's meet our friend, Was.
Hi, I'm the sight word, was. I add a touch of history.
Let's meet our friend, They.
Hello, I'm the sight word, they. I'm all about introducing characters.
Now that we've met our sight word friends, let's go on an adventure with a story using all 5 words.
All the flowers are blooming in a garden. But one seed type was not growing. With care, they were planted again. They are old and kind birds. All flew happily, but a little bird was not flying. They encouraged and helped.
Let's find out all the not words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Not, 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 not. Good job. We can now point out the word not when we see it. Let's find out all the are words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Are, 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 are. Good job. We can now point out the word are when we see it. Let's find out all the all words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. All, 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 all. Good job. We can now point out the word all when we see it. Let's find out all the was words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Was, 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 was. Good job. We can now point out the word was when we see it. Let's find out all the they words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. They, 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 they. Good job. We can now point out the word they when we see it.
Good job, kids. You have learned another set of sight words today. See you soon.